Hey guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to do an Amazon wig unboxing. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. In this package, I've got a wig from a brand new vendor, and I am so excited to open this up and see what's in here. So we're going to just open this up and look at it together on camera. So let's just see what this wig is. Oh my goodness. Okay, this wig is from HairCube. It says Shining Yourself, HairCube wigs. This is HairCube short wigs, brown. Pixie cut wigs for white women, X002AM023H. So let's see what's in here. Oh, pretty cool. I like this so far. Let's just see let's get her out here and play with her for a bit. Okay, so here's the wig, and he got the hairnet off. Got this little thing out of there. And this is wig number 8H22T. That's all I see on here. Now, let's look at the inside of this wig. This has got the basic wig cap construction with the lace top. And I've got a little helper today here. This is my grandson, Gabriel, and he's helping me make this video today. This wig has also the little bit of an extended nape, and it's got the little adjustable straps here. So, cute little wig. The hair is very, very soft. Let me give her a good shake so I can get all the fibers loose. And she's got a little bit of permatease here at the crown, you can see. And when I come back, I'll have this wig on my head. Okay, so here she is right out of the box. I have done absolutely nothing to her but put her on my head. The hair is very soft. I think the style is really cute. It's almost like a little deconstructed bob. This is not a really heavy density wig, something that I really like. This is not a wig that's going to feel really hot or heavy. I actually don't think I'm going to have to thin this wig at all, which is really a plus with an inexpensive wig, because a lot of times I have to go in and thin some of the hair out. But this one is not extremely hairy. So let me go mess with her just a bit. I'll be right back. Okay, so here she is after I've styled her a bit, and after I have been back in there looking at her, I've noticed that one side is just a little bit longer than the other, so this is kind of a little asymmetrical bob, and I really, really like that. I think it's very stylish and cute. The wig is comfortable. It's really lightweight. I trimmed the bangs just a bit, and I put some dry shampoo on her and sprayed her just a little bit with my wig spray, and gosh, she's a cute little thing. I really think I'm going to enjoy wearing her. Now, you can always put a little headband right there on top of the part if you like. And if you have a wig that doesn't have a dedicated part or is not like a monofilament part, you can always put a headband on there. And that kind of gives the wig just a little bit of an elevation if you can wear like a little headband, a head wrap, or something like that with it, if you don't want to wear it just by itself. I love accessories with my wigs. I just love that. But this is a cool little wig, and I don't think for the price, I don't think you can beat this. And I'll be sure to drop a link down in the description box so you guys can see this and take a look at it. It's available on Amazon. And Ben, thank you so much for sending me this wig. It's just as cute as it can be. Let me spin around and let you guys see it one more time. There you go. This is my grandson, Gabe, and he's visiting with me this afternoon. Gabe, tell everybody hi.
Hi.
And we're just going to tell you bye now. We're getting ready to go eat pizza, and we're going to watch a movie this afternoon. So visit my website, Ninja Life Coaching, and check out my book, Lord, Am I Going Crazy? It's a 30-day devotional guide for women over 40, and it is on Amazon. God bless.
Maranatha, subscribe.
Thank you.